to make this type of money, it is absolutely possible. And the good thing about this, you can make all this money for free. That's right. You need no experience. You need no technical skills. You don't even need a website to do this. Now, I'm going to share with you how you can make some money right now on the internet doing this type of method. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre, and I talk about how to make money online. So make sure you subscribe if you love videos like this. Smash that bell notification. Drop me a comment if this is your first time, and if this is your second time, leave me a comment anyway. I want you to type down below so that way I know that you're watching my video. So we're gonna jump into it. I'm gonna give you some free bonuses. I'm gonna show you how to set up everything from start to finish. So make sure you grab a pen, get some paper, write some things down, because I'm going to give you a few names of a few different websites that you're going to get these resources. So let's jump into the video right now. Let's get this show on the road. Here we go. One of the first websites that you need to sign up for is a website that is called Quora. Now, most of you probably heard of Quora before, and this website has potential. There's a lot of people that visit this particular website. It's like Facebook, for example. People just go on here to binge, find a lot of information. People like to read controversial arguments. People like to go in and find stuff that they're looking for. For example, if they're into the marketing, they're going to look for social media stuff, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and all of that. That's going to help them grow and build their business. So if you don't have an account, just go over to Quora.com, sign up. It is free. And then once you sign up, it will give you an option where you need to select the type of things that you need to be shown into your newsfeed. You know, for me, I always go for like business. So that's the type of thing that I look for. So when you set it up, you have the option of doing so. So once you create this account, if you look here, you'll see on this side, this is like relatable. On the right hand side, all this is like relatable topics. So if you into the affiliate marketing, you're gonna find lots of stuff. If you go to digital strategy, you'll find tons of different things like web traffic. People are, what is the best way to generate traffic to a website? I mean, to a WordPress blog. And you come down here, you know, he made over $2.8 million trading. I don't even know who that guy is. His name is Kyle Dennis. Seems like he's crushing it into the stock market and all that stuff. A lot of people are doing trading right now. You know, what is going to be the most profitable niche in the digital marketing, you know, for 2020? So these are some of the topics that people are, you know, writing about. They're posting stuff. People just keep writing consistently over and over again, and that's how they get a lot of traffic, because these are like stock photos. So you could get these stock photos, and then once you get the stock photos, you can just post it. This has been up since October 7, 2019. So tons of different traffic that is coming to this particular website. And even if I go over to, you know, marketing, if I go into the marketing area, you'll see loads and loads of traffic. This has like over votes, like 16,000 votes, and people are just circulating the information all over the internet. So why did I tell you to come to this website? Because it's free, there's a lot of traffic, and people always looking for stuff for you to do. Now, we're gonna go to this website that is called zinearticles.com. So zinearticles.com, it is a royalty-free website that experts, authors, they share all their best works, and it's for free for you to use. As long as you give them credit, yes, you can use it. Now, you're not going to use this for Google or Yahoo or Bing and all that search engine, because people out there probably use it already. So what you're going to do, you're going to use the same information that these guys put together. They're giving it to you for free. So all you have to do is use it. So submit your high quality original articles for more exposure and, you know, back to your website. So it's like more traffic to your website. So if you look here, these are some of the different articles that they have. There's like arts, there's computers, there's gaming, home business. So whichever one that you want to use, feel free to do that. And you can try multiple different niche for you to start making money for free. For example, if we're gonna go into the health and fitness, you click on the health and fitness, these are the different articles. There's health and fitness, there's aerobics, cardio, there's anti-aging, arthritis, there's heart disease, there's fitness equipment, eczema, beauty, asthma, anything related to the health niche, you can find it on here. So that's a good thing with this particular website. There's so many different articles that you could choose from. Now, what we're going to be doing before we try to find the articles, we need to find products that we need to promote. So we're going to head on over to Clickbank, and if you don't have a Clickbank account, sign up for one. I'm going to use the health niche for this particular example. So if for some reason that you can't sign up for Clickbank, there's other alternatives for health niche. You could go to Market Health. If you've been following my YouTube channel, I spoke about Market Health, so you could go. So right over here where you go where it says health and wellness, we're gonna click on this and it's gonna take us over to the health area, right? So there's research, there's lipotox. If you look over here, there's Lipto Connect. This one right here is Fat Flusher, diabetes, the Lost Book. Right over here is like custom keto. So you could find different things that is available here that you can use to promote. So we can even go with this one. Or we could go with Liptotox. Liptotox, let's see what it's all about. Click on it. It's a 5-second hack that kills food craving and melts 62 pounds of raw fat. So if you want to watch this video and you want to promote this, feel free to do it. If you don't want to promote it, you don't have to. I'm just showing you some examples. So remember, you have to know what is right for you. I don't just promote any and everything just because of the money. If it's something that's going to help people, yes, I'll do it. So for this example, I'm just going to use this product. So do your research, do whatever you have to do your kumbaya and whatever. And if you want to promote it, go for it. It's all up to you. So for this video, for the sake of the video, I'm just going to use this product because I just clicked on it, right? So you can go through it, you could watch it. And then once you get here, you could click on here where it says promote, grab your affiliate link. And once you grab your affiliate link, right, get your affiliate link. Now, what we're going to be doing, since this is all about weight loss, we need to find something about weight loss. So it's health and fitness. There's got to be some things over here about weight, right? So all we have to do is just search for the one for the weight. And once we find it, then boom, we're going to set it up and I'm going to show you what you need to do. So health and fitness, I can click on that. Why lockdown is reducing COVID, why lockdown is not reducing COVID-19 cases, how to stay healthy. These are steps to a deep breathing life solutions. Spinach and so this is about food craving, losing weight. So food craving, losing weight. So let's head back over to the website. So we're looking for food cravings, losing weight. All right. Anything about losing weight? Weight loss right here. Boom. So click on the weight loss strategies, 3 pillars of weight loss. So these are different articles that are here that you can use. There's over 6,798 pages. You cannot run out of content ever. You cannot. So if you want to skip and you want to go through weight loss, carb cravings, look at that. Perfect. This kind of go with what we're talking about. So here, this is by Anne. and submitted this last year, 2019. If you're watching this video in 2025, that's a long time, right? So if you look here, you'll see the different things. So right down here, this is the article source. This is the article source. Now she puts this together. She creates this. She wrote this, and you can read through it. Feel free to take your time and go through everything. Now, this is what you have to do. The article source is you have to give them credit. Always give them credit. That's one thing that you have to do. So what you could do, you could copy this. You could copy the entire thing because they want you to use it. Now, if you want to tweak it, feel free to do that. Now, you could copy this, and then we're going to head on over to Quora. Now, we're looking for weight loss, of course, diet, weight loss, all those things. Click on it. That's where we need to go, over to the weight loss section. Now, if you want to post this here, as you can see, somebody just posted 8 hours ago. People are asking questions. So the ones that are asking questions, I would just paste what I just copied under the questions that people are asking about weight loss, about how can they become better. You know, how do I lose weight from, from a fatty face? Stuff like that. This is a question, but he's given an answer. Now, what I would do, okay, I'll go here and I'll post this. So I would just post it right like this. The same thing, post everything, right? Article source, because we want to give credit to where it's due. Now, we're going to grab our affiliate link. So we'll grab our affiliate link. We're going to go over to bit.ly. So go to bit.ly.com. And once we go to bit.ly.com, now we're going to create. We can create a shorter link, or if you don't want to create a shorter link, that's totally okay. Because if you don't create a shorter link, then what you can do, okay, this is you want to put the title. So the title of this, where did it go? The title, I would say 5-second water hack. I'll just copy this. So 5-second water hack kills craving. That's what we're going to be putting right there. All right, so 5-second water hack. So if you're watching this, don't be going all over the place and type in 5-second water hack. Come up with great ideas. And if you don't have any ideas about weight loss, here's a website that you can go. You can go ask the people. Ask the public. Sorry, not ask the people. So answer the public, sorry. So the website is called Answer the Public. You can type in weight loss. And when you type in weight loss and you click on search, you can find hundreds of different topics. You see that? These are keywords that you can write for your own title. So don't be coming up here and copy exactly what I'm doing. I'm just giving you ideas. So be creative. These are tips. Build on what I give to you. This is a great website that you can type in multiple different keywords and you can find what you're looking for. Right? So I'm giving you things that you can go out there and look for. So 5-second hack. So as I said, I'm just going to use the same thing. Where did it go? 5-second water hack that kills craving, food craving. 5-second water hack that kills food cravings. And then I do that. Now, as I told you before, we're going to grab our affiliate link. So during these different area, like blood sugar level, veggies, cookies, I would say learn more here. And I would highlight this right here. This is where you're going to put your affiliate link, paste your link there, and then you add. So you see how that changed to blue? There we go. I'll come down here again, and I'll just highlight this entire thing, click on here, and then you do the same thing. Now, the reason why I just copy that, copy it and put it there, because okay, let me just paste this. I'm going to post it. So I just posted. I'm going to refresh. Your submission is pending. Now, it's being pending and all that. So once it's being pending, then they're going to look at it and see if it, because these groups, they're different groups. You just got to wait until you get approved. One thing I forgot to do is add a picture. So you can add a picture. Where you can get pictures, you can go over to this particular website that is called Pixels. So Pixels, all right, Pixels. So go to Pixels, weight loss, and then you can do these. You can add, grab, these are royalty-free photos that you can use. So you can add the pictures, you can add the article, get your keywords at answerthepublic.com. If you do this over and over again for multiple various niches and just track where your traffic is coming from, again, you don't have to copy the entire thing word for word from the source, but if you do, make sure, again, you have to give them credit. That's a part of the policy, that you have to give them credit for their work because they put the work together. But read it, make sure everything is congruent to whatever offer that you're doing. I'm just showing you this as example. I didn't go through it, I didn't read it. I just showing you ways how you could do this, and you can make money for free. Yes, you can make money for free. This method is worldwide. And once you go out there and you start crushing it, then you're going to be ready to go. Hope you enjoy this video. And again, if you're looking for my #1 recommendation of how I make money, how I start my business, how am I making, $1,000 a day, because I learned these skills. I learned these skills from scratch. And once you learn these skills, you can apply what you learn. When you apply what you learn, then you can make money. So I appreciate you. Enjoy. Check out the first link in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.